Our Institute of Culinary Arts hosted its second annual Baking Wizard competition entitled Showcasing Baking Excellence. This is a culinary arts competition where students from various YTEPP centers compete in Iron Chef style with a focus on baking within the categories of bread, cakes, and pastry making. Secret ingredients are required to create flavorful dishes to try to impress a panel of judges to become the next Baking Wizard champions and bring home the Baking Wizard Challenge Trophy. The aim of the competition is to continually raise the standards of YTEPP's culinary offering, challenge participants to hone their craft by utilizing their skills and knowledge in a competitive environment, and to strengthen the sector by having a skilled, entry-level workforce that supports national development. This year, the special ingredients were molasses, moringa, and tamarind. Participating teams were Cuba North Roystonia Community Center, community-based program at the Tabakate Secondary School, Valencia Training and Enterprise Academy, and the Training Program Central. Trainees were indeed challenged and thoroughly enjoyed this experience. In the end, the first place and the challenge trophy was cupped by the Valencia Training and Enterprise Academy. Second place went to the Cuba North Roystonia Community Center's bread, cakes, and pastry making class. In third place was the food preparation community-based class operated at the Tabakate Secondary School. And the fourth place went to the bread, cakes, and pastry making class from our retraining department South. Congratulations to all!